In the first few days, I had to walk bitaw. Talagang walk talaga ako kasi walang transportation, I didn't have a car and everything. So that was one of the challenges. Pagdating naman sa work, okay naman kasi mababait naman yung mga co-workers ko. Ako lang yung Filipino doon, not only sa rehab but the entire facility. So yun, so challenge din yun. So ako from scratch talaga. I have to learn from someone who is not a Filipino. So iba talaga. Bigla na lang may nag-suggest sa akin nung time na yun na check out yung Grandison. Yun. Tapos nagustuhan ko naman, nag-sign up ako. Yung stood out talaga dun is yung free lahat. Alam mo yun, yung parang wala ka na gastusin. Tapos, ang isipin mo na lang is mag-aral, mag-review. Focus ka lang dun. Tapos, ipasa mo. Antay ka ng visa mo, either working, either immigrant visa. Yun lang talaga. So, wala ka nang isipin talaga. Smooth naman lahat kasi, of course, kompleto yung documents and everything. Alam mo yun, yung tulong talaga ng Grandison. Yung smoothness yung lahat. Pag alis, pagdating, dahil complete lahat, yun talaga nakatulong.